What is going on, everybody? Cordell Drone. We got a doubleheader coming at you here today. It's both of today's flights. Both are towards the river and extreme windy conditions. Gusts of up to 57 kilometers per hour. As always, we're going out into the wind, so we're following very even in sport, we're looking at like 15 miles per hour, maybe 16, 17, but here we are, beating on this 24 Pro. Y'all know the drill. So where I'm filming from out here in Windsor, we actually developed a little traffic, so it's shipping stuff, right? It's a shipping channel for the Great Lakes, and it gives us a lot of something to shoot at when we're hovering around. But you can tell just by looking at the water in comparison to some of my other videos, it is windy as a motherfucker today. This filmed around 5:10 Eastern Standard Time at the beginning of November. God damn, make that a cinematic shot. You can see we were barely up for very long at all, and we're already heading back with like half battery. You can see on the way back from 15, 16 mile per hour on the way out to 35 on the way back. Now we're going with the wind. So I probably could have pushed it a little more. I'd like to head back around 50-55%, start heading for home. But obviously we could have left that fucker up there till about 20%, still made it home with the wind. Now we're going to get ready to move into our second clip. It's Cordell Drone Services out of Windsor, Ontario. Call us for booking. Here's our second flight of the day. There's always another battery. People don't push it too far and lose your equipment. That sounds like it was doing good. These two clips were literally back to back, so this is around 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. You can see that the boat's gone through, and we got a little more shadowing going on. All shot in D-Log and post-colored. So for those of you that have flown before, you've been watching that attitude meter on the side, bottom left. It's really windy, and this is when you start going like, should I really be ripping this thing? Because look at the angle she's on trying to go forward. So the attitude meter means is where the drone is sitting in the air. So it is now cocked way off to the left, to the west there. Questioning whether I should still be out there or not. Beautiful shot still out of the Mini 4 Pro, no matter the wind. It's an amazing unit. Yeah, here's another where you can really tell by looking at the water in comparison to our other videos. It is just whipping. About 5 minutes. So for anyone who's familiar with Windsor, this is basically right over top of Lozon and Wyandotte facing west. Get that shot. See the GM building of Detroit in the background, the Provo Center and all that stuff. Belle Isle is in the middle of the river there, and we are on the Canadian side. That's going to wrap up another flight. Thank you everybody for coming out and checking out our videos. Stay till the end. That's fucking dope. You're the bomb. Like and subscribe for more. And stay tuned for the content upcoming. With the new rig hitting the road, we should be able to go out to a lot of different filming locations instead of just filming in different sites. So lots of good stuff to look forward to. Thanks for checking us out.